Here I have OPPO Reno 8, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with Fingerprint on this device. So firstly you have to add a fingerprint by going to settings, so let's quickly do it. Then go to the password and security, then go to the fingerprint, set up lock screen password. You can set up like numeric pattern or alphanumeric. I'm just gonna select the simplest 4-digit pin. So you enter it, then you confirm it. In the following step you have to scan your finger here on the fingerprint sensor, so you just tap it several times until it remembers your fingerprint. Just a few more taps. So yeah, now it's done. Now, when fingerprint is aided, enable app lock here. Then you have to set up a privacy password. So let's set it. You can set up the same password as your lock screen password, but you can also set up another password for the privacy password. How many passwords? I'm just gonna set the same one as I have on my lock screen. Then you have to answer the secret question, like former teacher's name, mother's name, father's name, and so on. And now we have this feature enabled. And to add apps, to lock apps, to add apps to locker, we have to go to privacy section, then go to app lock, confirm our identity, enable app lock, and now we can lock apps. So let's lock, for example, Chrome. I don't know, let's lock, maybe photos, phone manager, recorder, PUBG gift, everything you want, TikTok especially. And now, as you can see, I can't access Google Chrome without scanning my fingerprint or without entering privacy password, as you can see. So once you opened this app once and confirmed your fingerprint or password, it will be opened all the time until you lock the screen. Then you unlock it, and as you can see, these apps are locked again. So yeah, I hope it was quite simple for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.